Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Welcome to Gigo in Mina, Tenjin, Fukuoka. Gigo Game Center in Mina, Tenjin offers a variety of activities at 4th floors. There are rhythm-based games, Pirikura sticker photo booths, and of course, crane machines where you can win anything from keychains and figurines to snacks and plushies for a minimum of 100 yen per play. At Gigo, enjoy the quintessential Japanese entertainment experience, featuring everything from Japan's pop culture and characters to its music and technology. Serious gamers might be pleased with the Fangamer pop-up shop as it carries exclusive character merchandise from games such as Silent Hill, Elden Ring, Dark Souls, and more. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. No matter the era, it continues to evolve by fulfilling people's desires in real spaces. It remains an oasis that satisfies people's cravings with authentic entertainment. We believe this is the new value of game centers. It remains an oasis that fulfills people's desires. The key word with that feeling is get into the gaming oasis equals dive into the game oasis. And we named the brand Gigo by taking the initials of that name. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Fukuoka, Japan playlist. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Have you been to Fukuoka, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.